In your Health Watch now, ozone pollution in Colorado tends to peak during the summer months, and it can make it very hard to breathe, especially for more vulnerable populations or those with pre-existing conditions. And with Colorado continuing to experience some of the highest ozone levels in the country, it is important for people to understand how air quality can affect their health and what they can do to stay safe. So here to discuss what Coloradans need to know is Amy Quinones, urgent care she works at urgent care at Denver Health's Peña Urgent Care Center. Thanks so much for coming on the show. And what a good day for you to come on. This is an ozone alert day today, too. So we're talking ozone pollution. Tell me, why is it worse in the summertime?
So there's a few things at play. So the ground ozone pollution comes to be when the sun and the heat really mix in with the ground pollutants and cause a lot of difficulty for people who have a hard time breathing. And so it's not the ozone layer up in the atmosphere, it's really down here. And so on these ozone alert days, it's really important that we take the steps to keep ourselves safe.
Who is most at risk on high ozone days?
So older folks, also kids, and people who are working outside or spending long periods of time outside, whether it's work or recreation or anything. Those are the folks who need to be really aware of these ozone alert days.
And if you are more vulnerable, but you are working outside, what can you do to protect yourself, or just call it a day?
Yeah, no, it's really hard. So finding shade when you can, making sure you're staying hydrated, drinking lots of water, and if you're feeling unwell, taking a break, stepping into the shade, going inside whenever you can.
And what symptoms should people watch out for?
Right, so there's mild symptoms that could be similar to like heat exhaustion. So if you're feeling fatigued, if you're feeling really just tired, like you're having a hard time breathing, it's good to step into the shade, take a break. If you're still feeling unwell at that point after you've taken a break, it's time to probably go see someone. Go to urgent care or the emergency department.
So many families spend a lot of time outdoors, especially here in Colorado, right? We want to explore the outdoors, especially kids off of school now. How can we just protect all of our families?
Right, so the biggest thing to do is to watch your timing of your activities if you have the ability to do that. And so on these ozone alert days, it's really important to plan your outside activities really early in the morning or very late in the evening when the sun's going down to avoid that high ozone layer.
So tell my daughter you have to wait until later to get on the trampoline outside.
Set your alarm and go for that run earlier.
Yes, that's a good thing. All right, thank you so much for coming on here. Thank you very much. And remember, you can watch all of our health alerts and segments on our website, cbscolorado.com. Beck?
Great advice as always. Thank you, ladies.